So I don't think I actually did a walk around on this dude, so I guess I'll do that right now after we've pulled her in here. But it's a 59 Chevy Viking. This is a Montana truck. It's been probably in Montana its whole life. It was used as a logging truck back in the 60s and probably into the 70s too. It's got this awesome headache rack for your cables and shit. But the really cool thing about this truck is, I don't know if you can see, I don't have very good lighting in here. Let me find a flashlight. Oh, actually, hell, I'll go over this side too. So, that right there is a winch, if you can fucking see it, which is PTO operated, and this bed, get underneath here, is a dump bed, PTO run. It's pretty sweet. Super low range gears, and it's pretty cool because that chain right there runs the winch, which I think is badass. I wanted originally to use this car or use this truck as a car hauler. I think it'd be badass to haul that thing with it, but this might actually be a little bit too long. The bed, I believe, is 13 feet long, but one issue you're gonna run into is this headache rack. Probably cuts it down to like 12 feet or so. But yeah, got the split rims. I'm not gonna fuck with those. And the bed is rotten, so that's cool too. But yeah, this truck is pretty cool. Looks cool. Got the typical rust right down here in the corner, but I'm not restoring it, so I really don't care. Seat's pretty mangled. The back is alright, I guess. Not too bad rust in here. There was like a bunch of rat shit in here at one point in time. Fucking. The back of the cab looks alright. Gas tank looks alright. I'm sure it's full of crap, but yeah. Let's get this engine pulled. I really love the whatever those lights are called. I can't remember, but yeah. Awesome, badass with the headache rack behind it. Sweet.